How to turn on disappearing messages on WhatsApp. So first is to launch the WhatsApp application. Then select any contact. Now tap the three dots or the ellipsis icon found on the top right corner. Then select disappearing messages. Now in here you will see the section message timer and try a default message timer. So first we'll head to try a default message timer. So when you select a duration, say for example 24 hours, say for example when you select 24 hours, all new chats will disappear after 24 hours. So this applies to all your chats from your contacts. But if you want to apply disappearing messages on a specific contact, then just go back and then select a duration on their message timer. So say for example 7 days. So all new messages from this contact will disappear after 7 days. And so that is how you turn on disappearing messages on WhatsApp. Thank you and have a great day.